Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing uh, AC Milan kits, something which is very, very near and dear to me. So these kits came from all the way from Milan. I got them printed as well, so I just want to show you guys the unboxing here. So they come directly from Milan. It has the address on the top here. The Milan store shipped from UPS. It came actually pretty fast. So I ordered on Tuesday. Came here same week on the Friday, so 3 days after. So let's go ahead and open these. Let's go. Tape here. Tape off. Okay, so as you guys can see, it says AC Milan. I've got a picture. Wow, this boxing is so nice. Says AC Milan on the inside. On the 7. I might just keep this box. It's just fucking beautiful. It has 5 stickers, I think, which is such a nice touch right here. And then inside, wow. No, this packaging is it's just so nice. Right here. So you can see a picture of the current Milan players, past Milan players, and inside are two jerseys, which I'm really excited to open up. So let's get right to it. Even the thing is red and black. So here are the actual kits. I want to open the stickers in a bit. So let's get to the kits first. Just wow, you guys have done yourselves. So this one is the away kit. This one I got Ismail Benacer, number 4. Honestly, I think I got my money's worth. Let's go ahead and open these. Pretty tight. These are replica kits, by the way, not the authentic. And even for replica, the quality is fantastic. Here's the actual kit. Got Benacer 4 on the back. Wow, this kit's it's very beautiful. Very beautiful. So this is the first one. And the second one is the Milan purple kit. So let's go ahead and open this too. It's got a nice, fresh, out of the box feeling to it. And this one is, wow, this kit's so good, like, on the screen, but like it's just beautiful in person. Just wow. Olivier Giroud, number 9. But yeah, so this is actually, let's go ahead and open the stickers in this video. I want to show you guys what they included, and hopefully I got some good players. Maybe De Hernandez. So here are the Panini stickers. So we'll go ahead and open these. Yeah, so again, 5 stickers. Wow. Just like these stickers are like teams from Milan's. I got the 07 06 07 winning team right here. And some of the other stickers are wow. Got this. about this. I actually don't know who any of these are. Maybe Paolo Maldini is one of them. Or Gianni Rivera. And this one's the last one. So, anyways, thanks for watching the unboxing video. AC Milan, you know, shout out, done a fantastic job. I'm very happy and impressed. All right, thanks for watching. See you again.